Energy storage container is a modular device that integrates efficient energy storage system, intelligent monitoring and management system. It takes the container as the carrier, integrates the battery pack, charging and discharging system, temperature control system, security protection system, etc. Energy storage containers have the characteristics of convenient installation, flexible mobility, as well as a variety of scenarios on the grid side and the user side. The container energy storage of Huijue Group is composed of October 20th 40 feet prefabricated compartment to provide a stable and reliable energy storage solution for the power system, and strong scalability, and are widely used in new energy power generation fields, such as wind power and photovoltaic, which is an energy storage device that meets the demand of megawatt-level power output and integrates energy storage battery system, energy management system, monitoring system, temperature control system, and fire protection system. With battery cluster as the basic unit, the product can cover the scene needs of different voltages and different capacities. It can cooperate with photovoltaic, wind power, thermal power, and other systems to achieve no energy consumption, smooth output, peak cutting and valley filling, frequency modulation and peak regulation, and provide auxiliary services for the power grid, etc., which is widely used in all aspects of power generation, transmission, distribution, and use. High-performance lithium iron phosphate battery, long cycle life, efficiency up to 90%, and seamless off-grid mode switching. A full set of intelligent management system platform. If you want to know more about our product, please contact us.